Welcome to the Parachute Design Challenge, the engineering portion of STEAM Night. Today you are going to solve the problem, how does a parachute's size, material, or shape affect the time it takes to drop to the ground? Please watch the attached video, and in the video it shows you how to drop your parachute. Then come back and we will tell you how to design your very own parachute. Inside your packet, you're going to find your Parachute Design Challenge sheet, and you're going to find your materials. Please look inside your bag. You will find newsprint paper. Notice that this is already in a rectangular shape. You have coffee filters, and notice that is a round shape. You have washi tape. You have a pair of scissors, you have a parachute man, and you have your string. When you unwind your parachute man, you can take him out and you can drop him from different heights and pay attention to how the parachute behaves. And this can help you make a decision on how you would like to design your very own parachute. So now that you've practiced with your parachute man, you need to decide, how is it you would like to design your parachute? Remember, you need two different designs. You can do different shapes, different materials, or different sizes. Once you've created your designs, it's time to fill out your hypothesis. Your hypothesis is, what do you predict is going to happen in your experiment? So you have the line, I think the blank parachute will reach the ground faster. So you're going to choose one of your parachutes and write that, whether it's the circle, a plastic, paper, coffee filter, whichever one you choose, you're going to write that will reach the ground faster. And you're going to put down, why do you think that that parachute's going to reach that ground faster? Once you've done that, you're going to go ahead and take your parachute man and you're going to cut the string off of him, because you're going to use him to be attached to your new parachutes. I decided to try the coffee filter. I cut all my strings. I did 4 strings the same length, attached it with tape. I will then take the end of the strings and I will tie them to my parachute man. My next step is to test my experiment. If you look at the bottom of your sheet, parachute number 1 would be my first parachute I created. I'm going to decide, you're going to try it out before you test it, before you time it, to make sure that it works. So I'm going to take it to the height that I would like to drop it from. I'm going to drop it and time how long it takes to leave my hand to hit the ground. You can count or you can use a stopwatch. You're going to then write down how many seconds it took. Then you're going to do that same thing. Those are called trials. You're going to repeat it 3 times, then take an average of that. When you're through, you'll get your second parachute. So you'll remove your parachute man from your string, attach it to your second parachute, and follow the same steps. This is a design a 5th grader at our school made. Remember, you do not have to have your string attached with tape. But whatever you do with one parachute, you have to do with the other, and your string needs to be the same length. What happened in your experiment? Was your hypothesis correct? Which one actually reached the ground faster? Could you try changing other things in your parachute to see if it makes a difference in how long it takes to reach the ground?